Good day. Welcome to Steven's Legos. We are starting on the crane build here. We're finishing up the crane build. We're on page 153 of the second book manual. And we are going to be adding to the boom today on the end over here. All right. If you would subscribe and like, take out the other 20 some odd previous videos on this to where we got to this far with the base, the chassis, the main boom, the auxiliary boom, the counterweight support, and then the auxiliary cable direction there. Right, so we're going to finish up and build a boom piece. Alright, so we take the boom piece like so. Got to add some black connectors on the bottom. Got to add some blue connectors with the spline, the spline holes right there on top. Add some black connectors in the sides right here. And add another one on the other side over here. And just add the second piece on top, like so. Down, up, down, and this is down, up, down to match that up. Flip the page. You go ahead and add another one of the side pieces here. Now this one says down, up, down. The other one says should be up, down, up, as far as the lattice work. Alright, then we take another piece here, and then it's down, up, down, and we add the connector parts. Add a blue one. Bring it together. Like so. We'll set that down. Take the gray piece and we'll put in black connectors every other hole in there. This step, okay. Oh, I forgot to add pieces on the end. Here we go. And the other side, we're adding one in the middle, like that. Okay. So this comes together. Gray piece fits on the end as such. And now this piece will be put on the end here. Like so. And we take some axle pieces, put in through here. All right, just to recap the crane. Okay, the crane's got compression in here in the main boom. It's being lifted up by the auxiliary boom, which controls from here on up and over with the cabling right here. This will control and have that in static motion like that, and this will control this, which will lift up the boom appropriately like that. Axis 1. It's all about compression. This main boom would carry all the weight of whatever it's carrying over there. Okay. Now I get to wire it up. I'm going to go ahead like I did last time and stop this video now. If you like, please subscribe. Watch all the prior videos on this to catch us up where we're at, if this is your first one. And then we'll go ahead with the wiring, the cabling of this up here on the next video. Thanks for watching.